everyone, welcome back to another video. This time I want to show you the gorgeous Hugs and Kisses February embellishment kit. Sarah was kind enough to send me a kit and I've been playing with it, so I wanted to show you what I've done so far with it. But first I wanted to show you what was in the pack. So you get a card of these lovely threads, and they're quite thick. Actually, I've got a bit here. They're much thicker than embroidery thread, but they're lovely. They're really nice. I've got a bag with some little wooden hearts in, which are equally as lovely. I got another bag with a little leather love heart, a cherry applique, not quite sure what you call them, like transfer, but they're not sticky. I got some tassels and some other bits and pieces that I'll show you as we go through, but that was a little bag of embellishments. Then I got a bag full of doilies. There's white doilies, gold, like a dark pinky colour and a light pink. I got a bag of sequins, which are just beautiful, all pinks and golds, and they've got little love hearts in them and little beads. I'm going to do a shaker pocket or a shaker card with those as well, but I haven't done that yet. Then I got another little bag, and this has got paper clips, like little love heart paper clips, and a little hangy doobry thingy with X-No on it. And then last but not least, I got a little packet with some gorgeous dark pink sort of braiding and a ruffled stretchy ribbon. So that's what I got in my pack, but now I'd like to show you what I've done with it so far. So just let me push that out of the way for a minute. So one of the first things I did was I've been doing Junk Journal January, which is hosted by Meg Journals, and one of the prompts was sealed. So I've made this page using the February kit. So I've got one of the dark pink or red doilies, cut that in half and stuck that to my page. Used some of the ruffled ribbon, some of the little wooden hearts, and this was a cherry blossom applique that I've got, so I stuck that down. Then I've used a heart, all the hearts wax seal, and I've used some, this is embroidery thread. I tried to use the thread that was in the kit to do like a little nest, which I'm never any good at. Mine always look awful, but it was just too thick. It was springing back. And then I've just stuck swark, and 5 points to those of you that have realised that I've popped that in upside down. I didn't notice it until the whole page was finished, so oh well. So that's that one. So that's part of the kit that I've used on this. Then I did a layout using the Good Vibrations Pretty Little Studio collection. So again, I've layered the doilies on here. I've used one of the leather love hearts, and this, I got 2 of these in there, and they're just lovely. They're material puffy hearts, and they're lovely. I've got another dangly with sweetheart on it, so I've just clipped that to the braid that we got. I've used some of the wooden love hearts, and I love this, the smile. I just love it. So, and I knew what I wanted to use that for the minute I saw it. So that's one layout I've done so far. Then I've done another layout using the kit as well. So this time I've used a doily under here. You can't really see it an awful lot, but I have used a doily. I've used a pink doily down here and some more of the ruffled ribbon. And this time I've used the sequin pack and some of the thread that come out of the kit. and I've sewn 2 sequin lines down, and I've added a tassel to one and another puffy heart to another. And I just love that page. I think that's really gorgeous. And I've obviously used one of the cute wooden cute things that you can get in the Hey Little Magpie shop as well. The papers and everything were from my own stash, that I've had them quite a while. I can't remember where I've got them from, but all the embellishments are from Sarah. So the kit so far has done 2 layouts and a junk journal page, and I've still got plenty of left. So watch this space, and I will be back with you soon with some more. Bye for now.